Hey guys, good morning. Today is a great day. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a great day to feel spotlight. Y'all, I got on my new robe. Yeah. I'm feeling really spotlight this morning. But what I wanted to really say was today is M.L.K. Day. And M.L.K., what was he about? Peace, love, fairness, and greatness. So guess what? Please do something great today. Please love somebody today, and please share a little peace and harmony today, okay? We got to leave the past in the past. We can't change the past, but we might be able to change the future if we do something like he did, if we do something great, okay? So guys, I'll see you, okay? So hold the line, please. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys some of my favorite things that I have been enjoying in the last couple of, I'm going to say really basically in a couple of weeks, maybe 1 to 2 weeks, maybe 1 week in the last week, okay? And no tender that I'm bragging or anything, because a lot of things have been thrifted from the bins or Mark had found somewhere or wherever I don't know. But in no intention am I trying to brag here. I'm just showing you guys some of my favorite things that I've been liking. And I'm trying not to use the word love because I feel like it comes off a little bit not a good thing or a cliche. So yeah, if you're interested in this video and this is something that you would enjoy, then I would suggest that you continue to watch. So I'll see you in the next clip. Hold the line, please. All right, guys, let's take it away in the kitchen. So the first thing that I have been enjoying that I have done, maybe it could have been maybe about a month ago for sure, that I have done something different that a lot of people do all the same. And I'm just one of those people, you guys should know by now, I do not like doing everything that everybody else does. I don't like following trends, never been that person. So I just want to share with you guys how I styled my cutting boards on the stove instead of on the counter like I used to have them, because I think other people was doing it and I would just wanted to do what they were doing. And then I said, no, that's not what you do, Sonia, so do it your own way. So guys, I love the fact that I have my cutting boards here. I think it looks very, very pretty. I think it looks very, very inviting on the stove. It makes you want to cook more. It makes you just want to try new things because you have that. I especially love this one. This one here was our wedding gift. I found this one at the Goodwill, and this was a Goodwill find as well. And I also love the fact that I was able to put my Ansonii Philadelphia up here, split leaf up here. It's been doing well for the last couple of days on top of the vent here, the exhaust vent. So when you're frying and stuff like that. So I've been enjoying that. Another thing I've been enjoying, guys, is my bamboo and all of my utensils here inside of my marble vase that I got from the Goodwill. And I think I added that on there, that piece of wood there. I've been enjoying my pepper grinder and just all my little utensils here, guys. Like this is actually for cheese, but I've been using them for spreading butter on my toast or butter on the pancakes or waffles. And these are just my latest ones that I really, really like. Y'all see I set those in the front. Y'all see she set those in the front. So I've been enjoying those. I've been enjoying just my things here on this tray here that I hauled from the Goodwill. It actually had a glass top on it and I got rid of it. But even like my Miss Myers I found from the bins, I've been enjoying that as well. I've also been enjoying my Mrs. Myers candle here that I have lit. I've also been enjoying this basket, guys. Y'all know I just hauled this not that long ago from the bins, and this is the Hearth and Home collection. I think that's what it says right there. The signature lines, Magnolia Home, Hearth and Hand. So just the basket itself, I can always put apples, oranges, but just all this right here just looks really, really good. Guys, I've been enjoying here too. I've been enjoying the mosaic that we put across the back of here and the paint. This paint is going to get repainted because we found out it is not latex paint, so it will be getting another coat of Repulse Gray on there. I think this is the color that's on it now is I can't think of it right now, guys. It'll come to me. Mindful Gray. The color is Mindful Gray, but we're going to go ahead and do it a Repulse Gray when we get us another can of paint. I've also been enjoying, guys, my candle warmer. It's actually a wax melt warmer. I've been enjoying that. I think it looks very, very nice here in the kitchen on the counter. So pretty. Smells really good in here. You guys remember when me and Mark were at Walmart and we found this? We had to take back something, and thank God they didn't give us a hard time. So we were able to take it back, and we got this here, and I've been enjoying it. Guys, I've also have been enjoying my amber glasses that I actually hauled from the bins. So with these, this one is on here. I still have to spray paint some more on here. I still have to find another one. I just put that on there for now because I just like looking at it. I put my own labels, guys, on here as well. I love the fact that you can go get labels from Dollar Tree and you can create your own. So I did that. Moving over here, guys. This is, I just did this today, and this is what this is actually what triggered me to do this video today. Guys, I did not know what to do with this. I didn't know if it was a candle holder or what, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna get my teas out, see if they fit in here, and along with the cocoa, and I put them here. Guys, this makes perfect for a perfect coffee station, and I love it. Look at that. It looks so great there. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? I did move my bullet to the other side, but I think I'm going to end up putting the bullet. I'm probably going to end up putting the bullet inside the cabinet where it was because, I don't know, I just might. But I usually use my bullet maybe 3 or 4 times a week, so it might stay out, it may not. But you guys know I don't like clutter. So, yeah. What do you think, guys? That is so pretty to me. I absolutely love that. I love it. And it just insinuates the mosaic back wall. And like I told you guys before, I will be looking for a metal sign that says coffee, just coffee. It doesn't have to be anything big. I mean, you know, stand outish. It could just be metal and just on the chunkier side in cursive writing. I don't really want a sign. I just want something that's in writing that I can put either here or here. But I absolutely love that. On to the next thing. So you guys know that I did move this is a huge vase, guys. This camera does not even do it justice, okay? This is a huge vase. And I don't want anything in it. That's why I put it in here. I think it looks nice by itself. And I have been enjoying that here along with my foliage plants, guys. I love plants. Plants wake up a room. They really wake up a room. Okay, guys, over here, I've been enjoying and loving these wall plaques, guys. They are actually really large. I love the fact that they are simple, black and white, 1, 2, 3, and then just the number sign, how it says number 1, number 2, number 3. I love the fact of the writing is just so elegant and beautiful for a kitchen space. And I love the fact that it has like the utensils, the spoon, knife, and fork. And I thought this would be the perfect place to place them. It just looks so well grouped together on another wall besides the greenery. So yeah. Guys, that we moved the chairs. I have been loving these stools, y'all, right here. They actually make the room look really modern, mid-century. You guys know that the base of them are metal and the top of them are linen. And we have the 3 different shades that I have found from the bins. This one was $15, $15, $15 and this one was $10. And like I said, the bases are metal, and I do plan on going over, this is not real wood, this is metal. They just give you that look, but I will be going over the legs with a black matte finish so they can match that. So, and we do plan on getting something to go across here that you can pull up or place down with a leveler to have the chairs turned the other way, that we can sit there and have our coffees, teas, or whatnot. Another fave, guys, will be this nice pendant light that Mark put up here, and I did end up, I think I told you guys I was gonna have to paint it, but it looks absolutely amazing, and that is how it looks with the wall painted, guys. It really opens up the space, opens up a whole kitchen, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me give you another look around. So even from this side, guys, it makes a very big difference. Look at that. Look how beautiful that makes this space look. It's very open in here, guys, now. It's just very beautiful, mid-century modern. It's not over the top. It's not doing too much. I absolutely love everything. And I'm not gonna leave out, I am also loving how these tiles that I scored from the bins, and these are Project 66. This is what they look like. So beautiful. This one is a terry cloth one. I never had a terry cloth black towel, but they also just look so nice on the stainless steel. So guys, yeah, these are the things that I've been enjoying. I have also enjoyed the fact that we painted our we got done painting the rest of the pulls on the actual counter, drawers, all of them. So all of them have new decorative painted pulls on them. So I'm absolutely loving that. And last but not least, guys, I've also been enjoying the light fixture here, along with the switch that goes to it there. So yeah, guys, that is all the things that I have been enjoying in this redone kitchen, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know what was your favorite thing everywhere. And guys, this light is amazing. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It just, I can't even, you have to be here to see it, to enjoy it. And our eat sign. Stainless steel appliances I absolutely love. Hopefully in the near future, we can get some updates, y'all. Some updated dryer and washer. But they work, so yeah. So guys, let me know what was your favorite thing, and did you enjoy today's video? I enjoyed bringing it to you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, today is MLK Jr. Day. Please do something great for yourself and do something really great for other people. And remember, love yourself so that you will love others, and this world will be a much better place. Bye guys, bye.